Hello, this is David Ludlow of DLudlow Photography. If you've watched any of my videos before, you would have only seen two. This is the start of my new channel. This is the third video. The first two were really just sort of practice. The channel really is focused on the Canon M50 and various lenses to go with that. As I said in my second video, I was a keen photographer years ago with a full frame camera, but it sort of gave up the ghost and I've not used a camera for years now. So I'm just going back through the learning process, and the first two videos were really just a bit of a practice. What we're going to focus on now is the Canon M50. So that's this lovely little camera here. This is the Mark II. So I'm going to sort of take you through this and go and take a few shots really on each video. So today I've just been walking along the Grand Union Canal, which is just where I'm sitting now, and taking a few shots. Again, just getting used to the camera. Today I've taken out the kit lens, which is the 15 to 45, but just look at this camera, it's so lovely and small. I can just sort of hold it in my hand. Okay, so let's just take a look at this camera and the sort of settings and setup I've got. I haven't bought this particular one for creating videos. I've actually purchased it to go out on photo shoots, and that's what we're going to do with it. So today we've started with the kit lens, the 15 to 45. Not a bad little lens, but look, it's just a lovely size. But let's just take a look at it. Okay, you can see here that the lens that comes with it is quite small. It's a really nice size. You can compare it with my hand there, and it really has really been designed quite well here. You've got a small switch, you just push that over and twist it, and then the lens comes out to 15mm. Then we can just spin that round up to 45mm. So not a great zoom, but a great starting lens. It's not going to be my go-to lens, but it's great when you just want to go out and, you know, sort of, I don't know, go on holiday or something and just pop it in your pocket. It's quite small, great little camera. The other good thing that I like about it is this pull-out screen just here. It allows you to go out to the side so that it's not getting in the way of, for those with microphones, etc., at the top here. But I love it because, you know, when I'm taking a shot, I can hold it like this and just hold that in my hand there and look down, so I can actually get the camera quite low to the ground. It also twists completely round if you are taking selfies or videos. The actual dials on the top, you can change that from sort of manual to aperture priority, shutter priority, and video, etc. Program mode, automatic. So all the other settings you haven't really got dials for. You're doing this all with the screen. Really, you've got an info button here, a menu button, a preview button, and then you've got another sort of function button at the top. All these help you get your settings, but basically you're using the screen just here. Now, if you are thinking of the Canon M50 or thinking of getting a small camera, it's a mirrorless camera and absolutely brilliant. Great value for money, great starter kit really for anybody starting out, or anybody that's a keen photographer with a full frame but you just want something smaller sometimes. All today's photos are with the kit lens, and so we'll just see how it performs, just walking along the canal and taking a few. So I'll put the shots up and give you all the settings.